Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma, and today I'm telling you about this lovely 2017 Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive. We acquired this directly from Infiniti Financial Services. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle off lease. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. In this particular example, aside from the sport package, it is loaded with just about every available option you get in 2017. We have the original build sheet. And that's something to look at. All Q50s are not created equal, because this one had a base MSRP of $42,650, but when you add in all the equipment this one has, it inflates all the way up to $53,720. Quite a lot of equipment. It has the spare tire package. That was a $300 option package. Usually this comes with run flat tires and no spare tire package, but now you have a spare tire. And I can tell you, buying a spare tire package through parts is a lot more than $300. It'd probably be, over $1,000. So nice to have that. And then we have the technology package, $1,700 for the technology package. That's a pretty rare option package, giving you intelligent cruise control, full speed range, distance control assist, a blind spot intervention system, lane departure warning, lane departure prevention. So not only will you warn you about something in your blind spot, or warn you about veering out of your lane, it will actually steer you back in your lane if you're veering out, or if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. Then we have active trace control. That will brake individual wheels to help you rotate through the corners a little bit better. An adaptive front lighting system will turn with the headlights, so you can see a little bit better on those dark, curvy roads, and those also are auto leveling headlights as well. High beam assist, front pre-crash seatbelts, and then you have an eco pedal, which gives you more, when you put the vehicle in eco mode, it gives you more gas pedal resistance, encouraging a more economical type driving manner. That was a $1,700 option package. This has direct adaptive steering. That's a $1,000 option package. So direct adaptive steering, there is no mechanical connection to the front wheels. It's all handled by electric motors and computers, and this is actually the first vehicle to ever have a production drive-by-wire steering system. It's pretty much what it is, drive-by-wire. Worry not if there is a catastrophic failure and the vehicle totally loses power. We have a mechanical steering rack that's a backup that will kick in, so you can safely steer to the side of the road. Why would you want to have a direct adaptive steering? For a number of reasons. Steering the vehicle back into your lane with lane departure prevention, blind spot prevention. This also has lane keep assist, which will make small steering corrections to help you stay in your lane on the highway, helping battle driver fatigue. Also, the direct adaptive steering system helps battle crosswinds. I don't know if you've ever been blown around the highway from crosswinds. Well, the direct adaptive steering system will help cancel that out. Also, there's a lot of feedback that you want, but there's also unwanted feedback that you get through the steering wheel. For instance, if you hit a pothole or a rut in the road that might jerk the wheel, that actually gets filtered out. So it filters out the feedback that you don't want, and it communicates the feedback that you do want. And you can also take a lot of control over the feel of the steering. So you can control the weight of the steering, the responsiveness, so you can make it like a fast, heavy steering ratio like a sports car, or you can make it kind of more of a slower, lighter steering ratio like a luxury car. So lots of cool stuff. Going back to the sticker, there's still a lot more to go over on this one. This one also had a 19-inch sport wheel package, but those 19-inch sport wheels are actually in pretty bad shape, and the tires are bald, so we actually got a deal on a wheel and tire package, and we just put a whole brand new wheel and tire package on this Q50, which I'll show you when we move towards the outside. Maple wood trim, $400 option for that. Leather seating surface, leatherette is standard, full leather is optional. That was $1,000 for that. Then we have the driver's assistance package, giving you predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, front and rear around view monitor, so you have a 360-degree overhead camera, backup collision intervention with rear cross traffic alert. Then we have the Premium Plus package, a little bit more of a common package on the Q50, heated steering wheel, heated seats, remote engine start, power adjustable steering column, to name a few options that you get in that package. Illuminated kick plates is a $465 option, and this beautiful shade of majestic white was a $500 premium. So that's all the stuff you have in this nearly loaded 2017 Q50. Of course, we can print you a copy of that sticker, or we can email you one when you come and visit. Actually, we can email you one if you want us to. We'll print you one when you come and visit. So we also have a drive mode selector here. So this makes changes to steering, transmission shift points, snow, eco, standard, sport. And a lot of the things that you change here, you can also change here if you want to drill down a little bit deeper. Active trace control will help the vehicle rotate through the curves a little bit better by breaking the individual wheels. You can shut that on or off. So a lot of firsts with the Q50. The Q50 has one of the first direct adaptive steering systems, and the Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles to have a dual display system like this. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Then we have the backup camera, 360-degree around view monitor. I'm telling you, Infiniti is big on technology. Another first, it wasn't on the Q50, but we've had this on earlier Infinitis. Infiniti had the first production 360 camera. This one has 40,745 miles, about right for a vehicle coming off a 12 or 15,000 mile a year lease. Beautiful color combination in white on black, easy to take care of on the outside and on the inside. And here are these brand new wheel and tires. Wheels and tires aren't cheap, so it'll be a while before you'll have to worry about tires. And these alloy wheels look awesome, brand new. The brand's called Petrol, but it's not a no-name brand. Petrol's actually owned and manufactured by Enki, which is a pretty respected manufacturer of alloy wheels. Of course, if you want to look up more info, you can. And even though the Q50 is considered a compact vehicle, not so quite compact on the inside, there's a lot of compact sedans that a 6'2" person like me can't comfortably sit in the back seat. Like the Lexus IS series has a microscopic back seat. This one's a lot better. So if you do have people that ride in the back that are bigger than kids, might be a reason to consider the Q50. This one's an all-wheel drive model. Rear-wheel drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. Obviously all-wheel drive does a little bit better in our wet, slippery weather that we have most of our lives here in the Pacific Northwest. And if you do drive in the snow, you're going to do a lot better with all-wheel drive versus wheel-wheel drive. But this has a really advanced all-wheel drive system. It's called a Tesla all-wheel drive system. They've used it on a lot of Infiniti products, and it is amazing. It's 100% rear-wheel drive when all-wheel drive is not needed, giving you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. But it can quickly, almost instantly, send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels as soon as those rear wheels slip. And the reason why they do that, the reason why they don't have the all-wheel drive systems constantly working all the time, is because it chews through your tires faster and reduces your gas mileage. So that helps, and obviously helps having that rural drive feel. And then also, if you're a performance car driver, with the all-wheel drive, it will help. You can get on the gas a little bit earlier in the corners, so it will help pull you through those corners in performance driving. Also has an amazing stability control system too. The yaw sensor, so if the vehicle starts fishtailing or going sideways, it will straighten it out. Or if you do want to get tail happy, you can set the traction control system off and it will let you slide this car around, even though I don't really recommend doing that on public roads, because with 300 horsepower, this car is pretty quick and it can get a little unwieldy if you shut that traction stability control system off. VR30 Twin Turbo engine, 300 horsepower, direct injection, bi-xenon headlights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. This is one of our most loaded pre-owned Q50s in stock, so if you're in the market for one with all the bells and whistles, all the safety features, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.